So we just got some lights for Tyler's Subaru. We just bought some LEDs for now. We plan on buying him new housings. We found some that we liked. We're just kind of waiting for them to come out because they're brand new. But we went ahead and just got some off of, just some LED bulbs off of Amazon for like $36. They should have like a 6500K output. They should plug into his 9006 H11s. So hopefully they look good. I'm sure they'll look better than he has now because his lights are terrible. Let's go see if we can install these. He got some new wheels too. They're mirrors. So in order to get to this light, we're going to have to take this air intake off. And then this one over here. Just twist it. And then it falls where you can't ever get it again. Alright, so once you have that cover off, you can twist off your light. And it'll come out like this. And you just have to undo that harness. Grab your other light, which will look like this now. Go ahead and plug this in. I don't know if it matters which way you plug it in. It does. There's a positive and negative, so we're gonna test it before we go ahead and put it into the housing. Cool, as you can tell I plugged it in correctly. And then you're just gonna put this back in here and twist it on. So that's what it looks like now. That is twisted back on. Compared to this. What a difference. So basically what I'm going to try and do is tuck these wires into the housing and see if the cover fits again. It's pretty big. I just have to find the cover. Finally got the cover. It does, everything fits on there perfectly too. The cover fits on there. Nice. Go ahead and put that back in. Well, I broke a pen. This one's the same thing. Twist the housing off. Twist your bulb off.
My brights are horrible. It's so better.
It's like, seriously, these lights are so much better than your old ones. Tyler could barely see 5 feet in front of him.
This was my lights. This was my lights. And now it's this.
Blue 'em! Blue 'em!
Oh wait, blue!
Blue!
Oh my god, it's so blue!
It looks purple.
It's so blue! It does look purple! I've never had a car that had this much visibility.
Yeah, these are nice. Not as good as HIDs, but these are definitely way better than
For
that. Halogen.
$30?
Yeah.
You can't even buy halogen ones.